Now I will assemble the modified CPAP circuit, our first version that is meant to stop aerolization of COVID patients. Make sure the CPAP machine is set up accordingly to its manual. Take an oxygen enhancement valve, connect its male end to the CPAP tube. This top valve is meant for the oxygen tank and to regulate the amount of oxygen coming to the patient. Now we're going to take a T connector and connect its male end to the oxygen enhancement valve. Take another T connector and connect it to the first T connector. However, make sure that this top of the T connector is pointed 30 degrees towards the back of this T connector. This is meant so that the PEEP valves in the end do not get in the way of the mask. So again, when you connect it, have this end face 30 degrees from this end, at about 30 degrees. Now we're going to take our elbow valve, connect its male end to the T connector, but have this face up so that it should be parallel to your first T connector. Again, so we want this T connector and this elbow valve to be parallel, and then we want this middle T connector to be about 30 degrees to the back. Now take your female coupler and attach it to your first T connector. Okay. Then, taking our PEEP valve, we'll connect it to that female coupler. Taking our second PEEP valve, we will connect it to the elbow valve, or the elbow connector. Now, connect our viral filter to the middle T connector, connecting the female side of the viral filter. Then finally, connect our non-vented mask to the viral filter. So as we can see, the PEEP valves are facing up and the mask is about 30 degrees backwards. This is so that the PEEP valve doesn't get away or touch the viral filter in any way, and this makes for a more comfortable setup. But overall, this is our fully assembled first version of our modified CPAP circuit meant to stop aerolization. Going through, we have the CPAP tube, the oxygen enhancement valve, one T connector, our second T connector, an elbow connector, a female coupler in between the PEEP valve and this T connector, and then our second PEEP valve on the end of the elbow connector, a viral filter attached to the middle T connector, and a non-vented mask connected to the viral filter.